Welcome to Brixis TV. My name is Mustafa Kocatürk from Germany, and it's my pleasure to show you in this video a small but very exciting function named Add Selected. This function is exciting because of its potential to save you a lot of time. This I promise you and will prove in this video. What is the Add Selected command for? I would like to translate the name of this function with one sentence. So use Add Selected when you want to create a new object with the same properties as an existing one in your drawing. You do not need to lose a lot of time to find out the layer, the color, the line type and so on. BricsCAD will do the work for you. I am not a programmer, so I imagine that BricsCAD will run the same command that was used to create the selected object and use the same property. By the way, this function does not change your current layer or current dimension style, for example. This is great. I have opened a drawing with a layout of a house, but I think it's better to show you the idea of this function with a simple circle and with a simple line. Okay, now you see I have drawn circle and the line. When I click on the circle, I see it is on the layer circle 1. The layer color is blue. It is dashed line type, and at the right hand side you see it has a line type scale of 0.09. So if the task is to draw another circle with the same properties, usually you have to go to the circle command, click and draw a circle, but this circle is of course at the current layer, which was the layer 0, and also the line type is not the same like the blue one. Now I want to show you how you can do it with the Add Selected command. First, the Add Selected command you will find here on the top menu or here at the right hand side. When you click the command, you will be asked to select an entity, so click on the circle, and you are immediately forwarded to the command to drawing circles. So pick the middle point and then the end point, and you see we have a second circle, and check again, you see it's on the correct layer and has the correct line type and also the correct line type scale. What about the line? The same for line. You can of course draw a line, and now maybe you know this function. You can copy the properties from one object to the other one. So use the match command, and it looks like the first line, but when I click on the first line, you see it's a polyline, and the second line I didn't check before it was a polyline or line, this one. So I draw one line here, so it is not the same. Better will be also to use the Add Selected command. Okay, it realized that was drawn as polyline, so you just can draw your polyline, and you see it's a polyline. It has the correct layer, line type and line type scale. So I hope you got the idea. Now let us take a look into this layout. The Add Selected function is especially useful when you get a drawing from someone else and have to continue with the drawing. Now let us take a look how we can use the Add Selected command in this existing drawing. Okay, you see someone has drawn here the walls on layer interior walls, and it has a color and so on. So I see here is one line missing. So what can we do? Just use the Add Selected command, click on one object and then continue, and you see it is directly on the correct layer. Here at the stairs also this wall is missing, use the add selected command, select the line, okay, you see my current layer is 0, but this line or the both lines are drawn and on the correct layer. Okay, we can also use this add selected command to draw some new hatches. We have here one hatch for the furniture, and it is on his own layer and it has his own properties. And when I want to make some new hatches, I can select my add selected command, click on the hatch, the source hatch. So just continue your work and you can be sure that it is on the same layer, has the same scale, same angle and so on. What else can we do with add selected command? For example, we want to add here some more text, multi-line text. I will show first what will happen if you do not use the add selected command. You see the text style is not that one what we would like to have. So I will quit this function and use add selected, click one existing text, and then I can type in my new text. Okay, and you see it is on it has the same properties like the selected text. What else can we do with add selected? You can use it of course for some dimensions. Okay, what will happen without add selected? I will go to linear dimension and select one dimension here, and you see it is not on the same layer and maybe also not the same dimension style. So erase this and click on add selected, use this one and then make a new dimension here, and you see it is on the correct dimension layer and it has copied all of the properties from the dimension before. It is also carrying over the some special information from the dimension. For example, we have here, you see one yes, dimension suffix. It should be TBC, has to be checked. It should mean so if you want to make a new dimension for this window, for example, you also select the add selected command and then you can dimension this window. If you want to align this second dimension with this, just click here. So you see it is has the length of 1.5 meters and has also this dimension suffix for has to be checked. Okay, what else? You can also use this add selected command for adding new blocks. For example, this is a block, so you see you do not have to search what's the name of the block and so on. You just can go to the add selected command, click on it, and you will be able to draw new objects, new blocks. So that was the video about the exciting add selected command. Thanks for watching Brixis TV and see you in another video.
Download the free trial version of BrixCAD at www.brixis.com and check it out for yourself.